Hello guys, I built this beautiful professional website using the new prompt generator on AI-website-prompt-generator.com. As you can see, it has beautiful, smooth animations throughout. It doesn't look like an AI-generated website at all, apart from the images, which you should of course replace with your own. Overall, this is a beautiful website with elegant lines, smooth animations, seamless transitions, and rich micro-interactions. If you've been using AI-website-prompt-generator.com for a while, you already know it has two very powerful website prompt generators, Prompt Cloner and Clone to HTML. Both of them generate prompts for cloning other websites. However, this new prompt generator, which looks like ChatGPT, is quite different. This prompt generator lets you build websites with completely custom designs. In fact, the prompts generated by this tool are so advanced that no one can even tell your websites were built with AI. Let me show you how to use it. There are two ways you can access this chat interface. The first is from the homepage. As soon as you land on it, you'll see the chat interface right in front of you. The second way is by going to the actual conversations page. Simply come to the address bar, type /, then chat, and press enter. Now we're inside the conversations area. However, I'll start chatting with this AI prompt generator from the homepage, so I'll go back there. Now this part is very important. The AI asks you to enter the name of your business. And of course, the name of your business will become the name of the website you're going to build. So I'll enter the name of my business. The name of my business is Otoma. Then I'll click the Send button. Immediately after clicking Send or pressing Enter on my keyboard, we're redirected to the Conversations area. Now it says, "Great, now type the location or address, contact email, and phone number of your business." All right, I've entered the requested details, the location, contact email, and phone number. Now I'll click Send. Next, the AI says, "Lastly, tell me the services or some keywords related to your business." My business, Otoma, specializes in auto detailing, so I'll enter some services and keywords related to my business. Okay, I've typed those details. Now I'll click Submit again. As soon as I submit them, the AI starts generating our prompt. The AI has now generated our prompt, and it also includes an important message. It says that AI website builders often create low-quality websites when they're asked to build an entire website all at once. For that reason, this tool gives you the prompts one page at a time. When you're done building the homepage, simply come back for the next prompt. Here's the prompt for the homepage. Just copy it and paste it into any AI website builder to generate the page. I'll copy the homepage prompt, then I'll click Build with Lovable because Lovable is the AI website builder I'm going to use. Inside Lovable, I'll right-click, paste the prompt, and click Send. And just like that, with a single prompt, we now have this beautiful homepage. Let's take a look at it on the front end. Here it is. You have a beautiful sliding hero image. Nothing about this website looks AI-generated except for the images, which, of course, you'll replace with your own original images. You also get smooth animations and micro-interactions throughout the page. Our prompt is very advanced. It instructs the AI to include all of these important interactive elements automatically. To complete the website, we simply copy the remaining prompts, one page at a time. So I'll copy the prompt for the About page, head over to Lovable, and let it generate that page as well. Once you've finished building the second page, scroll down and click Give me the next prompt. The AI will immediately generate the next one. Now, take note of this. To save your chat history, you'll need to log in before you can access the third prompt and every prompt that follows. So, I'll log in with my account. All right. And just like that, I'm signed in, as you can see. Now I'll scroll down. Here we have the prompt for the blog page. I'll copy that as well and give it to my AI website builder. Whenever you're ready for another page, simply click Give me the next prompt, and the AI will generate the next one. And that's pretty much how the new website prompt generator works.